Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to look at the estimating for structural steel. First of all, we're going to start with the structural steel columns. Go to View, Schedule, Material Takeoff. Go down the list, find the structural columns. Name it 5.1. Assembly code, description, family and type. For the column, we also need base level, top level. We also need a column location mark, the length of the column, material volume, and material name. The whole reason for us to do this is the formula, the density equal to mass over volume. In other words, the weight of the column will be the density, which is in pounds per cubic foot times the volume. The steel density, unless noted otherwise, it will be 490 pounds per cubic foot. As soon as we get the volume from the schedule, then we'll be able to multiply them by the steel density to get the weight. Next, we're going to make a new field called weight. Formula will just be volume. In order to take out the units, here we have to divide by 1. Then times 490. I think we'll just keep it as integer. Do the grand total and calculate total on the weight. The next thing we're going to do is another schedule to take care of the beam. Structural framing. We're going to call this one as 5.2. Assembly code, description, family and type. For the beam, we'll put reference level, the length of the beam, material volume, and the material name. Just like what we did before, all we need to do is just to put another field, which is the weight, the integer, the volume of the beam, divided by 1 times 490 pounds per cubic foot. Do the grand total, calculate the total on the weight. So from those two schedules, we did the takeoff for column and beams, but we also noticed that we missed the joist. We'll have to cover this in the next tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed the exercise today. We'll see you next time.